The final example of section 5.3 still works with our tangent and cotangent sum and difference identities. We're supposed to prove that cotangent of pi over 2 minus u equals tangent of u. So this seems pretty straightforward, like the other ones that we've done, but we're actually not going to use tangent. We are going to use sine and cosine. So we want to start by rewriting cotangent in terms of sine and cosine. So cotangent of pi over 2 minus u can be written as cosine of pi over 2 minus u divided by sine of pi over 2 minus u. And now we can use our difference identities for both of these. So using the difference identity for cosine in the numerator, we get cosine pi over 2 cosine u. Whoops, forgot the s on cosine there. Cosine u plus sine pi over 2 sine u. Then our denominator is going to be sine of pi over 2 cosine u minus cosine pi over 2 sine u. Then simplifying, we get cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so this term will cancel out. Sine of pi over 2 is 1, so we get sine u. And then in the denominator, sine of pi over 2 is 1, so the first term becomes cosine u. Minus cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so this term will cancel because it'll be a 0. And we're left with sine u over cosine u, which is equal to tangent of u.